Picture this. A nurse enters a patient's room, not with a pager or a bulky computer on wheels, but with just a slim AI-powered device in hand. No wires, no delays. Patient vitals sync wirelessly. A spoken update is instantly documented in the chart. And care is delivered, uninterrupted. What if a single device could change the way nurses work, communicate, and care for patients? In today's episode, we're exploring that what if through the lens of Tesla's most hyped and mysterious product, the Tesla phone, also known as the Model Pi. From Starlink internet and solar charging to Neuralink compatibility and AI-driven support, this device, though still a rumor, has sparked real conversations about the future of mobile tech and healthcare. Let's explore what would happen if nurses use the Tesla phone. What is the Tesla phone? Although Tesla has not confirmed the release of a smartphone, countless leaks, design concepts, and patents suggest they're working on something big. Here's what the Tesla Model Pi is rumored to offer. 1. Starlink satellite internet, a global internet network powered by SpaceX's low Earth orbit satellites. This would allow users to stay connected in any location, no need for traditional cell towers or Wi-Fi. For nurses in disaster zones or rural hospitals, this means uninterrupted communication and access to data, even when the grid is down. 2. Solar charging. Built-in solar panels or solar-sensitive materials on the device could provide sustainable wire-free charging, potentially allowing the phone to recharge throughout the day just from exposure to light. For nurses pulling long shifts with limited access to outlets, this could be a major win. 3. Neuralink integration. This brain-computer interface project by Elon Musk could, theoretically, allow users to operate the device with their thoughts. Imagine a nurse documenting care, issuing commands, or navigating systems, completely hands-free. 4. Tesla operating system and AI-powered software. An intelligent operating system built around automation, speed, and adaptability. With a focus on AI, the phone might assist in decision-making, reminders, documentation, and even voice-controlled apps designed for clinical work. 5. Biometric and blockchain security. Rumors suggest Tesla will incorporate face scans, fingerprint ID, and potentially blockchain-based data management, making it harder for sensitive information to be hacked or lost. For healthcare professionals, this could offer next-level HIPAA compliance potential. While this may all sound futuristic, remember, so did electric cars once. Why nurses need smarter devices. Let's talk about what nurses are using today and what's missing. Nurses use a mix of tools for daily tasks, phones for messaging, alarms, or EHR access. Laptops on wheels to chart and check orders, badges or headsets for communication, manual logs and printouts still used in some facilities. These systems often don't talk to each other, are prone to downtime, and require constant switching. For example, a nurse gets a code blue alert on their pager, checks the patient's chart on a computer, notifies the team via a badge device, then charts the update on another system. It's fragmented, inefficient, and time-consuming. The Tesla phone could centralize everything, connecting systems, streamlining tasks, and giving nurses a single smart device for communication, alerts, documentation, and coordination. Starlink, always connected, anywhere. Hospitals are not immune to connectivity issues. Wi-Fi dead zones, overloaded networks, and cell signal interference in large concrete buildings are common problems. Tesla's Starlink could eliminate this. With access to low-orbit satellite internet, a Tesla phone could maintain consistent communication in remote clinics or during transport, keep nurses connected during natural disasters. When towers fail, enable telehealth in underserved communities or emergency shelters. Allow for real-time data syncing during field response or disaster relief. It's more than convenience. It's about ensuring care doesn't stop when the internet goes out. Neuralink, hands-free documentation. Neuralink's ultimate goal is to allow thought-based control of digital devices. Imagine if a nurse could update a patient chart simply by thinking about it, generate S-bar reports using neural patterns and contextual AI, speak to the Tesla phone, or even just think a command and watch it execute. This could save hours of manual charting, reduce physical strain from typing and clicking, provide accessibility for nurses with disabilities or injuries, enhance focus during emergencies where hands are needed for care, not charting. Combine this with AI that helps autofill or suggest data, and you've got a documentation revolution. Solar charging, freedom from wall outlets. Nurses are constantly on the move, and battery life is a huge issue during long shifts. Solar charging could keep devices alive without needing to stop at charging stations, provide backup power during power outages or system failures, support community health nurses or midwives operating in off-grid areas, enhance sustainability in hospitals aiming for green tech integration, no more racing to plug in during lunch break. With the Tesla phone, your device would charge just from ambient light as you work. AI Assistant, a smart clinical partner. Let's explore the Tesla phone's AI potential. With a purpose-built operating system and Tesla-level AI, it could function as a clinical voice assistant, answering questions like, what's the protocol for rapid insulin correction? Provide real-time alerts for patient deterioration based on synced vitals, generate handoff summaries, pulling EHR data and nurse notes into structured S-bar, schedule reminders, calculate med dosages, or guide a nurse step-by-step through uncommon procedures. Understand natural language, even in noisy environments. This is more than Siri or Alexa. It's a nursing smart assistant that learns and improves over time. Data privacy, security, and compliance. No device in healthcare survives without ironclad security. Tesla could implement biometric-only access with face plus fingerprint authentication, on-device encryption of medical data to prevent third-party breaches, end-to-end communication encryption for HIPAA-compliant texting or telehealth, possibly blockchain-based records, making access traceable and immutable. This would help ensure that protected health information, PHI, remains secure, no matter where care is delivered. Comparing with today's tools, let's compare Vocera badges, lightweight for communication but can't access EHRs or apps. Ascom phones, reliable but basic and often struggle with signal strength. Smartphones, flexible but often banned in hospitals due to lack of HIPAA safeguards. The Tesla phone could combine all three, while adding layers of intelligence, automation, and sustainability. It's not just about better hardware, it's about rethinking what a nurse's most essential device should be. In conclusion, is this the future of nursing? The Tesla phone may still be a rumor, but the conversation it inspires is real. If even a portion of its potential becomes reality, it could reduce burnout, enhance efficiency, improve patient outcomes, and empower nurses to do what they do best. Deliver care with confidence, clarity, and compassion. Would you use the Tesla phone in your nursing role? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video sparked your curiosity, hit that like button, subscribe for more content on AI and nursing, and share it with a fellow nurse who loves tech. The future is closer than we think, and nurses should be part of designing it.